do me a favor?
What?
Accidentally step on your white sunglasses. We don't wear those over here. This is hip-hop. This is Carhartt jackets, Timberland boots, unlaced. This is Champion hoodies, chicken wings and french fries. R.I.P. pieces on the handball court. This is us still fighting police brutality.
Everybody running their mouth about how they real. Ringtones blowing the doors off album sales. Need to be telling the people about how they feel. So that's how it all started, I'm surprised they fail. Ill music just ain't what it used to. They used to have songs that you could shoplift or boost to. This is the truth too. Listen, we gon' pop in the juice troop and run up in the mall, get loose, boo. Hard streets, hard times, beats and hard rhymes. 5% is teaching the guard lines. 2 turntables, a mixer, few speakers. Haze didn't exist yet, they blew reefer. Pink champagne, plenty of malt licking. Extension cord was ran through grandma's kitchen. Fashion statements, bats were safe then. Now D-Block Royal bash your face in.
Oh man, this is hip-hop. Hands up if you forever a fan of hip-hop. I wake up hip-hop, go to sleep hip-hop, dream about hip-hop, cause I am hip-hop. Oh man, this is hip-hop. Hands up if you forever a fan of hip-hop. I wake up hip-hop, go to sleep hip-hop, dream about hip-hop, cause I am hip-hop. I said hip-hop, what? Started out in the park. Man, I knew it was going down from the start. I be backstage with that extra pound in my heart. Butterflies, what a vibe when I tear that whole crowd apart. It's hip-hop, my lips got problems, I spit hot shit. Watch the Kid Rock albums, I hurt verses and bruise flows. Who knows what's next and when? I'm like an NBA game, nothing less than 10. It's like all kind of diseases infest my pen, I'm sick. I gotta spit, I can't digest my phlegm. This gift could be a curse if you don't use it right, so quote me now. Tell half of these dudes goodnight. They let the lion out the cage and drag it from out the cage. Dudes worship them, girls be dragging them off the stage. You dudes weak, you ruin beats, you don't hurt the track. Give your producer my contacts, I'll murder that. Oh man, this is hip-hop. Hands up if you forever a fan of hip-hop. I wake up hip-hop, go to sleep hip-hop, dream about hip-hop, cause I am hip-hop. Oh man, this is hip-hop. Hands up if you forever a fan of hip-hop. I wake up hip-hop, go to sleep hip-hop, dream about hip-hop, cause I am hip-hop.
Just when y'all thought Queensbridge was a rat, Nas came back bridging the gap. Joey Crack told the whole map to lean back. For a second you would've thought New York was taking the scene back. Even Ja dropped a mean track. It went, I'm from New York, the first city to have heads to fiend for crack. Now all I hear about is who's a blood, who's a crip. Religious leaders only teach half of the truth and shit. I'd rather rock a fake gold crucifix than them platinum white Jesus faces. He rap like he's a racist. Know a philosopher that reads the pages of that knowledge I try to keep away from me for ages. Oh man, it's like I'm in a race against time. Couple years ago I couldn't wait to get signed. I thought automatically that my face would get shine, but being lyrical was just a waste of slick rhyme. But so, still I annihilate though, and silence the place with the fireplace flow. The day y'all can with me or Joel Ortiz, that's the day hell gon' free.